Unilateral overhead dumbbell extensions is a go-to exercise for those humongous long head tricep gains. But I don't perform these cause they hurt. Just look at the degree of shoulder flexion on my left side and the degree of shoulder flexion on my right. A whopping freaking difference, right? This is freaking staggering, but for those lads and gym baddies who are not familiar with my goddamn vibe, I have an underlying exaggerated right BC pattern mess up with my skinny freaking upper body. So for me, this exercise is an F tier trash poop hole, at least for time being. But the aim is to restore my movement capabilities so that I can perform the unilateral dumbbell overhead tricep extensions and dumbbell French press pain-free. But why is the unilateral dumbbell overhead extensions goated for meaty, busty, long head tricep gains? Long head of the triceps is bisexual.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
I mean, biarticular, originating from the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula and inserts on the olecranon of the ulna. Putting it at a longer muscle length during elbow extension changes the muscle's mechanical state and how much tension it experiences. Recent experimental evidence found that elbow extension training performed with the arm overhead produced greater long head hypertrophy. A real life example for this is Geoffrey Schofield, who is built like a freaking tank. Also, muscles at longer length generate more force. Just consider this freaking rubber band. The longer I pull, the farther it freaking goes. So do your freaking dumbbell overhead extensions, but if it hurts, you can switch to alternatives like unilateral overhead cross-body tricep extension. Row push downs, also the F-tier dumbbell tricep kickbacks. I personally like them a freaking lot. To conclude, the best freaking tricep exercise is doing skull crushers using a gym baddie as a freaking weight who is divorced with no freaking kids and receiving millions in the form of alimony. If the goddamn rep fails, she's gonna choke you by smashing your goddamn face. A win-win situation for the goddamn gym bros. Hell freaking yeah. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते